I am a legend. I am the GOAT. I am the greatest. I am the hope. I'm like an army. I'm the creator. I feel like a god. They call me the savior. I pave the way till night to dawn like every day. I can't be stopped. To the top, I'm on my way. Can't take my spot, I'll die for mine. You cross that line. I broke the mold, I cracked the code, and now it's time. And now it's time. The world is mine.
Oh, and here it is! I am very excited to introduce you to the Surface Book 3. With updated processor options, enhanced graphics performance, and available on either the 13.5 or 15-inch model, Surface Book 3 is the most powerful laptop in the Surface family. So what's new with Surface Book 3? Well, it's all about performance, with both the best battery life and graphics performance of any Surface. With Surface Book 3, you'll leverage the full power of 10th generation Intel Core processors for those pro-grade photo and video editing apps like Adobe Creative Cloud. Or immerse yourself in the latest gaming titles from Xbox Game Pass for PC with the optional discrete graphics card configurations. And of course, multitask between your mission-critical apps like Office, Photoshop, and AutoCAD without missing a beat with up to 32 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of SSD storage. Whether you choose the 15-inch or the 13.5-inch Surface Book 3, configure it to match your lifestyle and profession. And choose the best graphics option for you, including the remarkably powerful GeForce GTX 1660 Ti with 6 gigs of dedicated graphics memory. In fact, when the performance enhancements are taken into account, Surface Book 3 13.5-inch is a whopping 50% faster than the previous generation Surface Book 2 13.5-inch. If you spend a lot of time unplugged, Surface Book 3 is a smart fit. It has the best battery life of any Surface device ever. Thanks to batteries which are both in the display and in the base, Surface Book 3 can deliver up to 15.5 hours on the 13.5-inch model and up to 17.5 hours on the 15-inch model. Surface Book 3 truly has been designed to power you through even your busiest days. Surface Book has always been known for its versatility, and Surface Book 3 is certainly no different, with both USB Type-C, USB Type-A ports, and a full-size SD card slot. Our engineers have been hard at work refining the build quality of Surface devices for years, and sometimes it's the smallest details that can make the most impact. For example, Surface Book 3 detaches from its base twice as quickly as Surface Book 2. That of course means you can quickly move between the different user modes of Surface Book 3, so that you can create your best work using Surface Pen or Surface Dial. Upload your best videos using the 1080p front-facing camera. Or kick back and use your keyboard and mouse or an Xbox One wireless controller to play some of the most popular and intense games available. So, are you hungry for power? Do you demand that tailored solution for your work? Are you not a fan of compromises? Then take a closer look at the most powerful laptop of the Surface family, the Surface Book 3.